Hi friends, welcome to my new video, and today I will teach you how to draw a lion. Lion have a big hair and so cute. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. First of all, you draw a line here. Next step, you can draw a line here and here and color inside. Okay, good job. Now you can draw a line here and here. Okay friends, good job. Now I will draw a line here, right side and left side, like this. Okay, good job friend. Now you draw a line here and here and connect lines. Okay, good job. Now you draw a line here. And I will draw his mouth. Like this. And like this. Okay, good job. Now you draw a line here and here. Here and here. Okay, good job. Draw a line here and connect. Okay. Draw this point. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next step, I will draw a line here. This is an ear. And here. Right side and left side. Draw a line here and here. Okay, good job friend. Now we'll draw his body. You can draw a line here and you draw a line here and connect. And you can draw a left side and connect. Draw a line here and here. Okay, good job. Next step, you can draw this line and this line. Okay, good job. Next step, you draw a line here and you can draw here and here and here. Left side, you can draw a line here and like this. Line here and here. Okay, good job friends. Next step, you can draw line here. Okay. Next step, you draw a line here and like this. Okay, good job. Now, next step, you can draw this line. He's a big hair. Whoa. And you can draw lines. Lines. Like this. It's a big hair. Whoa. This is so fun. If you like a lion, you can draw like this. Like this. And like this. Now you can draw like this. Next, renowned brows. You can follow me on social media. My Instagram is RenoDraws and follow me. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I really like this drawing, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel have videos every single day. Friends, see you the next video. Bye.